Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ExpressVPN app and remove tap driver step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation of ExpressVPN, first, ensure that the application is closed. Locate the ExpressVPN app icon on your desktop or in your system tray. Right-click on the ExpressVPN icon. Select Exit from the context menu if the app is running. Now, proceed to the control panel on your computer. You can access it by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu. Once in the Control Panel, click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find ExpressVPN. Click on ExpressVPN to highlight it. Now, click on the Uninstall button located at the top of the list. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Once done, you may want to remove the tap driver, which is used by ExpressVPN. Return to the Programs and Features window. Look for Tap Windows Adapter in the list. Click on Tap Windows Adapter to highlight it. Again, click on the Uninstall button. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Yes when prompted. After the tap driver has been removed, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Once your computer is back on, check to make sure the ExpressVPN app and tap driver are fully uninstalled. You can do this by searching for them in the control panel again. This completes the uninstallation of ExpressVPN and the removal of the tap driver. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.